Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Khushi is there? Khushi, Mansi, you people have not checked. Just now I got a message from Danish. Utkarsh, Khushi, Mansi.
They are
Bio
not there in the meeting.
These three students did not attend the chemistry class also, said their LOC is not checked. Just now I got a message from Danish, sir. They are not there in the meeting still? Okay, never mind. If they are there, we'll remind them. Beta, I had taken up use of markers to select transformants on Saturday. I'll be taking up this topic again as a revision, but before, let me complete what I was doing that day. I was doing bioreactors, if you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
We were doing this bioreactor. This was stirred type of bioreactor. The first type of bioreactor, I told you we have two, stirred type and sparger type. How many types of bioreactors are there?
Two types.
Two types, stir type and
Two
sparger
types.
type.
Stir type, spather type.
Yes, it is spit type and it is sparger type. This one which you see, this one, this is which types?
Stir type.
Stir type.
You can identify that this is stir type with the help of these blades. Stirring. The stirring is being done with the blades. That is why we call this as a stir type of a bioreactor. Okay. Now let's do this quickly. What did we put from here? This is inlet. Inlet for what?
Steam. Steam.
Very good.
Steam.
This we were monitoring the heat and cold thing, so we have put this. What is this, children?
Thermometer.
Thermometer.
Thermometer. Okay. Now let's do this. On the top, I had put a motor over here, and what is connected to this motor? This long rod, if you can see.
Shaft.
Shaft. We have two pairs of blades. These are known as which blades?
Upper
Upper
blade.
blade.
Blades. And these two are known as, see over here,
Lower
it's written,
blades.
Lower blade.
lower blade. This outer container is made up of what material?
Steel.
Yes, it's steel container. What about the base of this?
Curved base.
Yes, it has to be curved. I told you that day also, be very careful. And then we have an outlet over here. We had the shaft over here. Then we had the inlet here. We have outlet here. What is this outside? What is this called?
Water jacket.
Yes, this is water jacket. What is this? This is water jacket. Now, let me explain to you the construction part we have already done. We are going on to the working part of this beta. Container to not to be filled not more than 3/4. We had done. Temperature is measured by thermometer. Now, let's see the role of the water jacket. If the temperature rises, then cold water is circulated by the jacket and vice versa. Means if temperature goes down, that hot boiled water will be circulated in the water jacket. So a constant optimum temperature is always maintained. Similarly, if you remember, we had a pH measuring device over here. I missed it out. This is pH pore. And what was this called? The one which measures pH?
pH probe.
pH probe.
Probe. Very good. So let's understand this also. If pH becomes basic, then through the pH pore we add dilute acid. And if pH becomes acidic, then through pH pore you will add what? You will add a dilute base. Basically, you have to provide optimum conditions for the transformants to grow, suitable conditions of temperature and suitable conditions of pH. See, we have a thermometer. If this says the temperature is going low, you will immediately start circulating boiled water in this water jacket. If this says the temperature is going high, then you start circulating cold water in the jacket. So we are maintaining this. Similarly, this pH probe. If it tells you the medium has become acidic now, then you can introduce a dilute base. And if this pH probe tells you that the medium has become basic, then you introduce a dilute acid. What are we trying to do? We are trying to maintain optimum conditions, suitable conditions, so that what happens? Your transformant is able to grow. Now let's move on to this. Your 3/4 content is the nutritive medium. How much have you filled your bioreactor with? 3/4.
3/4 content.
3/4.
Your nutritive medium, the nutrition medium which is needed by the transformant is filled but not more than 3/4. And then your transformant will be added as an inoculum. I think I discussed with you that day inoculum, jab dahi jamane wala, that small spoon of curd I told you.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So transformant is in very little amount. So we call it as what? We call it as inoculum. Lot of nutritive medium is there. Optimum conditions of temperature and pH are there. Then we introduce inoculum. Similarly, when you change milk to curd beta, even if you add inoculum, if the conditions are not suitable, the temperature is not suitable, your milk does not change into curd. In winters, I don't know if you've seen, normally in winters, the milk easily does not get changed into curd. So what do? Anybody seen at home in winters how milk is converted to curd? Summers, it's very easy. You add inoculum, till morning your milk will change into curd. But how do you manage it in winters? Has anyone seen at home? Nobody knows how milk changes to curd. See, beta, we keep it at a warm place. Or what we generally do is we keep some warm cloth on it. When we are trying to change milk into curd by adding inoculum in winters, we put a warm cloth, a towel, a bed sheet, or some warm cloth on it so that the temperature remains high. And if the temperature is high, your milk will change into curd. One more thing, you always have to heat your milk to lukewarm, only then your milk changes into curd. If you do not heat it to lukewarm, it will not change into curd. What I'm trying to tell you, that inoculum alone is not sufficient to change something to something. Basically, conditions are also needed. So we had 3/4 of nutritive medium. We added small amount of transformants in the medium. Suppose we have introduced E. coli with insulin producing gene. Which transformant am I trying to tell you? Which transformant have I taken? I've taken E. coli. And this E. coli, why is it called transformant? Because I have already introduced which gene in this?
Insulin
Insulin
producing.
producing gene.
Insulin producing gene. So some change has come in E. coli. That is why it is known as transformant. So I have taken my bioreactor. I have filled 3/4 of the bioreactor with a nutritive medium. Then what is my inoculum over here? My inoculum is E. coli transformant, which has which gene? Very important. Which gene it has?
Insulin producing gene.
Insulin producing gene. Now we already have a nutritive medium in the bioreactor. The optimum conditions are also there. So this E. coli will start multiplying. E. coli had this gene, insulin producing gene. So if E. coli will multiply, obviously your insulating producing genes will also increase. What do we do now? We switch on the motor. After we switch on the motor, the shaft will start rotating and the lower blades, listen carefully, lower blades will mix the contents. I told you the function of upper and lower blades is different. So listen very carefully. The lower blades, beta, they will start mixing the contents. What are the contents in the bioreactor? Tell me. What are the contents in the bioreactor? E. coli and
Insulin producing gene.
you got
Insulin
E. coli
producing.
and nutritive medium. What was filled in the bioreactor? Nutritive medium. And then you
Nutritive
added
medium.
So
Cultural milk.
these things are mixing. The E. coli and the nutritive medium is mixing with each other. Which blades are helping in mixing?
Lower blade.
Lower blade.
Okay. Sometimes when you make, how many of you make cold coffee at home in a mixer?
I make.
Okay. Those who make cold coffee at home in a mixer, they must be knowing that when we rotate, to ऊपर on the jar, froth आ जाता है. That gives you a good taste for coffee. जो झाग आता है ऊपर froth. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
So the froth comes on the top. Similarly, beta, when your lower blades will mix the content, some froth will be formed. Now this froth has to be broken down. Whenever you rotate your mixture, then froth will be formed. These upper blades, they will break the froth so that it doesn't become a barrier for mixing. Ek time ke baad, if you don't break this froth, then entire container will be filled with froth only and mixing process will stop. after a certain amount of time. So this froth has to be broken down. इस झाग को भी break करना है back to liquid. Who's going to do this? The upper blades. Lower blades will mix the contents. Because of mixing, froth will be formed. So when your mixture will be rotated, what is formed is froth. The upper blades will break the froth so that it does not become a barrier. Come to the second kind of a bioreactor. What is its name? Sparger bioreactor. Everybody name it.
Sparger
bioreactor.
Yes. It is sparged or sparger, anything in this. It is not very different from this. If you see, the first difference which you all can see is that the base is rectangular. This is very important. There the base was what?
Curved.
Yes, it is. Here it is a rectangular one. See, I have mentioned over here to remember this is a rectangle container. This is the only change till now. One more change, there is no motor. Got the second difference when you're drawing both of them?
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is no motor.
Yes.
So if motor is not there, do I need to have shafts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Blades are also not needed then, because blades will
Yes,
rotate
ma'am.
with the help of shaft. Shaft is connected to motor. Here we don't have a motor. We don't have any shaft. There are no blades. So it is not stirring. Stirring is not doing. We are not stirring it at all. So you can see this pH inlet. We had this in that also. pH pore and pH probe. Can you see this is your pH probe? This is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
thermometer. Though I put it on one side, if you want, you can put
Yes,
thermometer
ma'am.
this side and pH probe this side. So these two things are same, which we had in that. Let's compare the similarities and differences. In similarities, the similarities are we are going to have a thermometer. We'll have a pH pore. We'll have a pH probe. The medium will be filled up to 3/4 only. Now let's come to differences. We do not have a motor. The container is rectangular. It does not have a curved base. Is it okay for everybody? Now see
Yes, ma'am.
this
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
See this. This is a pipe. First, it is a normal pipe from here. After it enters this bioreactor container, it takes this shape. Can you see this shape over here?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
these are the
Yes.
holes. These are the holes, beta, to pump air. That circles that I have made, it's a loop. This shape is what we call as a loop. So this shape where ये handle जैसी एक चीज होती है, this is your pipe, and handle के आगे you have this loop structure. This entire shape is called a sparger. What is it called? It is a sparger. That is why this bioreactor is known as a sparger bioreactor, because of this thing. This is a normal pipe शुरू में, आगे जाके ये pipe takes the shape of a loop. The loop has holes to pump air. ये पूरा shape right from here. First a straight pipe and then a loop. See, from here I have tried to explain it to you that this entire shape is what we call as a sparger. It is because of this shape, sparger shape, that this bioreactor is known as what? It is known as a sparger bioreactor. What do we do from this hole now? See, we pass air from this pipe over here. Okay. Now over here you had what? You had holes to pump air. Yeah, there small circles. What are these? These are small holes. So your air is entering from here. Now you have holes, so bubbles will be formed. Lot of air bubbles will be formed in this. यहाँ से release होके यहाँ जाएंगे. And this container will be filled with what? Air bubbles. So here the mixing of the contents is not done with the help of blades or shaft. Rather the bubbles of air, they will push the medium nutrient wala medium ka particles and E. coli. Because of the pushing by air bubbles, they will mix with each other. So we are not using a motor, we are not using blades, we are not stirring. हमने कोई चीज गोल गोल नहीं घुमाई. Stirring means गोल घुमाना. We are not using the stirring process. Rather we have used this sparger. यहाँ से air introduce करिए बेटा. Bubbles बनेंगे because ये loop shape में pressure में जाएंगे. जब ये bubbles will be formed, bubbles in holes से release होके बाहर निकलते रहेंगे. Air के bubbles with pressure. So once they come out with pressure, they will hit against the nutritive medium particles and the E. coli. Because of hitting, क्या होगा? Mixing होगा. When you add sugar to water, normally आप उसको चलाते हो, घुमाते हो, something you do to mix it up. So here also the force is coming from air bubbles. We are not using any stirring process over here. This kind of a bioreactor is called as which bioreactor?
Sparger.
Sparger.
Sparger bioreactor tank. Okay. Here beta, basically oxygen availability is ensured. So air is bubbled through the reactor. Basically यहाँ पे mixing is being done with the help of what? Air bubbles. Air bubbles are being sparged. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Air bubbles are being sparged. मतलब air bubbles को इससे पास करेंगे हम sparger से, so that ये high pressure में आ जाएंगे. जब ये hole से release होंगे air bubbles, they will mix everything in this container. So what are the two types of bioreactors?
Stir type and
Stir
sparger.
type and Sparger type.
Yes. We move on to the last topic of the chapter, that is downstream processing. Okay. Now you take out your contents from this bioreactor. इसका भी outlet तो है, देखो ये रहा outlet. Can you see the outlet over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Because whatever culture medium grow करा होगा उसको निकालने के लिए you need an outlet. So you have an outlet over here. Now, whatever things we take out, whatever content you get from the bioreactor, when I say whatever content you get from the bioreactor, you will have what things, beta? You will have your bacteria. Which bacteria?
E. coli.
E. coli. Plus, you will have a lot of insulin producing genes, जिसको मैंने product नाम दे दिया. Is it okay? Basically, हमारा purpose क्या था? We wanted to increase the number of insulin producing genes. So E. coli, when I say contents, तो bioreactor से जो चीज बाहर निकलेगी वो उसमें क्या क्या होगा? You'll have bacteria, you'll have products, that is the insulin producing gene, and you'll also have some nutritive medium. तीनों चीजें mixed होंगी. When you will take out the content, amount बढ़ जाएगा. The amount of E. coli that you entered, supposing they were 10. Now nutritive medium मिल गया, and they're multiplying in number. Supposing they become 100, आपने 80 निकाल लिए, 20 are still there. फिर वो 20 मल्टीप्लाई करते रहेंगे. बट व्हेन यू रिमूव द कंटेंट फ्रॉम द बायोरिएक्टर, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूसिंग जीन ही निकलेगी अकेली. यू विल गेट अ मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑल द थ्री थिंग्स. सम E. coli will also come, your insulin producing genes will be there, and some nutritive medium will also come out क्योंकि वो mix हो चुका है. Whether it is by stirring or it is by this process that you had, air bubble sparging process, it is mixed now. Your purpose is to separate this. आपको तो सिर्फ यही चाहिए ना product. So we do centrifugation. By centrifugation, we separate or isolate the product. Downstreaming start कर दिया अब हमने. So the first step of downstreaming is isolating the product. Isolating the product from what? This bacteria and nutritive medium. इससे सिर्फ इसको अलग कर दिया जो हमें चाहिए था. That is your insulin producing gene in this case. I have isolated the product over here. Now I'll do purification of the product. I'll ensure isolation के बाद भी हो सकता है some nutritive medium is left. So I will purify so that I purely get what? Insulin. After I get insulin, it will be tested at multiple levels. It will go to one lab, it will be approved, then it will go to another lab, it will be approved. So at multiple levels, testing will be done. And after testing, we have an organization beta, जो किसी भी medicine को market में आने से पहले उसको certify करता है. If you remember, अभी एक medicine launch हुआ था for COVID. I think Baba Ramdev had launched it. And there was a lot of,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, and it was a
Coronel.
lot of issue that he did not approve it from this organization. Can anybody name it in India? Which is the organization? Quickly batao, news padhte ho. There was a lot of hue and cry that he cannot sell this medicine because it is not certified by this organization of India. India mein, which I'll give you a clue, it starts from I. Nobody knows. Supposing you make a medicine tomorrow for COVID, you feel कि मैम ये तो बहुत अच्छी है. ये थोड़ी है you can open a shop at your house and start selling क्योंकि आपको लग रहा है ये बहुत अच्छी है. Somebody has to certify this. So who's going to give you a certificate कि ठीक है, your medicine is good, go ahead and sell it. रोज आता है बेटा न्यूज में रोज. It starts from I, it ends with R. It's ICMR. ICMR. Anybody knows the full form? Nobody knows the full form of ICMR. Bio students. सिर्फ पढ़ाई करते हो, न्यूज कुछ नहीं पढ़ते हो, है ना? Indian Council of Medical Research. Tell me the full form of ICMR.
Indian Council of Medical Research.
Yes. So until and unless ICMR certifies, nobody can sell any medicine in the market. So that Coronel or whatever name it had, that Patanjali medicine, there was a lot of hue and cry for this reason only, that he cannot sell it in the market. He had done a press conference directly to launch the medicine. So this was criticized, and he was even questioned that how can you do this, because it was not certified by ICMR. So any country, they have their own organizations. So we'll say certified by organization. In India, it is ICMR. Then beta packaging. Once you get a certificate that yes, your medicine is approved by this organization, then you will package it, and then commercial sale, it will be available. All these 6 steps here, they are known as downstream processing. Together, what do we call these processes as?
Downstream processing.
Yes. Let me define it, beta. It's very simple. Listen carefully. After completion of the phase, the product has to be subjected through series of process before it is ready for marketing. These processes are first separation, then purification. All these processes together, controlling, testing, marketing, quality control, all these things come under these 6 steps. They are known as downstream processing. So after we got a commercial product from the bioreactor, हमें लगा हमें बहुत सारी insulin मिल गई. Now we are ready to sell the insulin. So we just directly cannot go and sell the insulin. सबसे पहले तो we'll have to isolate the product. Isolate the product means इस वाले main product को we'll have to separate it from bacteria and nutritive medium. But isolation alone is not sufficient. Sometimes थोड़ा सा फिर भी still some impurities left. So you need to do the purification. Then beta, testing at multiple levels. Then it is certified by organization, then packaging, and then commercial scale. Very quickly, I'm hiding this. Tell me the first step of downstream processing.
Isolating the product.
Okay, isolating the product. So that means you're separating your product from bacteria and nutritive mediums. Okay, next one.
Purification.
Yes, purification. And then next one.
Testing.
Testing the products at
Very
different
good.
levels.
Yes, yes. Next.
Certification by
Certification by the organization.
And the last one.
Packaging and then selling. Commercial sale.
Commercial sale.
Okay, so you consider this. You remember that all these 6 steps together are known as what?
Downstream processing.
Downstream processing. Very good, very good. Too good. Chalo. See, beta. So you've got how many types of commonly used bioreactors? Lot of questions
2
when you
types.
open your books.
2 types.
You'll find lot of questions. This is the last topic in the first chapter of biotechnology unit. So you'll have lot of questions on this. There are 2 types of bioreactors. The first one is,
Stir
Stir type.
yes, the first one is stir type. The body was made up of what?
Steel.
Steel.
Steel. And we had this jacket over here. What was this jacket?
Water jacket.
Water jacket.
The base is what?
Curved.
Curved.
We have an outlet over here. We have a motor. What is connected to the motor?
Shaft.
Okay, we have 2 pairs of blades. This is which blade?
Upper blades.
And these are your
Lower
Lower
blades.
blade.
lower blades. This pore, this hole is known as,
pH
pH pore.
and through this pore we have inserted a device which will check the pH of the reactor. This is known as,
pH
pH probe.
and this was your,
Thermometer.
what will you do if the thermometer tells you that the temperature is gone higher than the optimum temperature?
Water jacket.
Water jacket releases cold water.
Yes,
Cold
ma'am.
water. And if it is goes lower than the desired temperature, when I say optimum temperature, मतलब जिसमें E. coli सबसे अच्छा grow करेगा and multiply करेगा. Because E. coli multiply करेगा, so number of insulin producing genes automatically बढ़ जाएगी. Okay, beta? Okay. Let's come to this. If you feel that the pH has gone acidic, what will you do?
Add dilute base.
Okay. And if you feel it has gone basic,
We will
Dilute.
We will add dilute acid.
Yes, very good. Chaliye, what did we fill? Nutritive medium. When I say nutritive medium, beta, it basically means salts, vitamins, and oxygen. ठीक है बेटा, salts, vitamins, and oxygen. ये जो न्यूट्रिटिव मीडियम है ई कोलाई को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करता है. इट इज बेसिकली सॉल्ट्स एंड विटामिन्स. हाउ मच न्यूट्रिटिव मीडियम विल यू फिल?
3/4.
3/4.
Nutritive medium is mainly made up of two things. What are the two things?
Salts and minerals.
Salts and
Vitamins.
Salts and vitamins.
Okay.
Vitamins.
अभी ऊपर मोटर थी, मोटर को हमने ऑन कर दिया. As soon as the motor is on, what will the lower blades do?
Mixing of nutritive medium and
Yes,
E. coli.
they will mix the contents. Salt, vitamins, E. coli, सब mix हो जाएगा. And what will be formed after this spinning process?
Froth.
Froth. So what will these upper blades do?
And they will cut.
They will
break the froth.
Yes, very good. They will break the froth. Now, supposing you had introduced 10 E. coli, अच्छा nutrition medium मिला, they got a lot of food to eat, so they started multiplying in number. Let us assume that 10 E. coli had 10 insulin-producing genes, and now you have 100 E. coli. Because conditions are suitable, temperature suitable, pH suitable, अच्छा nutrition medium है, so they are multiplying very quickly. So you got 100 insulin-producing genes. Very quickly in a week or so, they'll reach 1,000, 10,000. अब बहुत सारी हो गई. So थोड़ा थोड़ा we are going to remove it from this process. What is this point called?
Outlet.
Outlet.
So we are going to remove this. Temperature सब check हो गया. Now we have already added an inoculum. I told you over here. What was the inoculum in this case I took? It was E. coli. E. coli which had which gene?
Insulin producing chain.
You can take any inoculum. If you want antibiotic resistant gene, to ye insulin, you can even take an enzyme producing gene. If you want enzymes to be produced, then inoculum, you can make it as an enzyme producing gene. You will get more number of enzymes. So it all depends on what you want. So motor is on, shaft is increasing. All this you have done, children. We need to break the froth so that it does not become a barrier. Which is the second kind of bioreactor? This one.
Sparge.
This shape is what we call as a sparger. It's a pipe and then a loop shaped with holes to pump the air. From here, we will introduce the air. Bubbles will rise from here. When they'll pass from these pores, bubbles will rise. These bubbles will help in mixing. This is a rectangle container. If you see the base is straight, it is not curved. इसमें भी यही दोनों चीजें लगेंगी. Your thermometer and your pH probe. Same process you have to do. You have to keep a check on temperature and pH. Now we come to downstream processing. You get your contents. First step was isolating the product. Second is purification. Testing at multiple levels, certifying by organization, packaging, and then commercial scale. You can go and sell it in the market. Last time I'm asking you, which is the organization in India which certifies the products?
ICMR.
ICMR, very good. It's ICMR. What is the full name?
Indian Council of Medical Research.
Council of Medical
Research. In 2011, one question had come. Now I'm discussing the questions which have come in previous year board papers based on bioreactors. In 2011, a question had come, beta. This was a 2 marks question. Just name the 5 conditions that a bioreactor should provide for obtaining the desired product. Question the answer, suno. It's a 2 marks question. It's written name, only name. Name 5 growth conditions a bioreactor should provide for obtaining the desired products. Chalo one by one batao. What should be the conditions?
Ma'am, desired pH, desired temperature,
pH, desired temperature.
Ma'am,
Nutritive medium
और
पे
ma'am
सोचो
content in nutritive
yes,
medium.
ma'am.
न्यूट्रिटिव मीडियम को अलग अलग करके मेंशन कर दो. 5 things हो जाएंगी. Salts, vitamins and
Vitamins,
oxygen.
So you got the 5 things. Everybody please with me. What are the 5 things? 2011 it came in 2 marks. If your concept is clear about this, I don't think any problem. Yes.
Salt,
Desired temperature,
yes,
desired pH,
salt, vitamins,
and
yes.
nutritive medium like salts, vitamins, and oxygen.
So it is getting this also. Very good, very good. Chalo. There's one more question we have. How can the desired products formed? अच्छा पहले ये वाला लेते हैं 2013 वाला. Give the name of the type of the bioreactor shown and write the purpose for which it is used. So there is a picture which shows blades very clearly and the base is a curve. If you
type.
check out in your books,
Stirred ice.
with
Stirred
बहुत
type.
clearly, किसी के पास all in one हो तो you can see in that also. The bioreactor would be given ऊपर मोटर बिल्कुल साफ दिखेगी, shaft दिखेगा, blades दिखेंगे. And there are two parts of the question. First part says name the type of bioreactor. If it has blades and motor तो कौन सा वाला है curved bottom?
Stirred
Stirred
type.
type.
Stirred type. And the second part of the question is what is the purpose of this bioreactor? They are asking you what is the purpose of the bioreactor. You can always tell the that it is used what
To
for producing a
To
large
culture the
Producing
recombinants or transformants.
It is used for producing large volume of the transformants for commercial production. Okay, basically what are we doing with the help of this? We are doing it for a commercial production part. Our involvement is basically that we want to get this part done for the commercial products. Okay, one more question. State two structural differences between both the bioreactors. First part says name the two type of bioreactors. वो मैं नहीं ले रही हूँ. It's a 3 marks question. There are see how the question is given. They are saying first name the two type of bioreactors. 1 mark इसका हो गया. State two structural differences between both the bioreactors. Structural difference पूछ रहे हैं बेटा. चलो
Yes,
बताओ
ma'am.
what are the two differences?
And the stirred type,
There
is motor.
Stirred type, it has curved surface, curved base,
And in the
and
smaller
presence of
and the
motor.
sparser type has rectangular
Type
base.
is rectangular.
Very good. So you'll be able to do. In 2009, beta, we had a 3 marks question which said, briefly describe the process of downstreaming. Briefly describe 3 marks question, the process of downstreaming. अब देखो बेटा, कहाँ से आंसर स्टार्ट होगा? इसमें बायोरिएक्टर शो नहीं होगा. Listen very carefully. 6 marks का क्वेश्चन है, sorry 3 marks का. You don't have to explain the entire bioreactor. आप वहां से स्टार्ट करो. That after the commercial products are obtained by the bioreactor, the downstreaming process starts. अब इसको explain करना, isolating the product. कि किससे isolate किया. Then explain purification. Why are we purifying? Because some bacteria and some nutritive medium may be still attached. Then testing at multiple levels to ensure the safety and security. Then certified, this is a legal process. Then it is packaged. Packaging में क्या लिखोगे? 1 line. It's a 3 marks question. तो देखो बेटा, that is why it is divided into 6 steps. Normally 3 marks में ही आता है. So आपने 6 steps में एक एक line भी लिख दिया, so आपका काम हो गया. Isolating the product में you will write कि किससे isolate किया. Purification you will write कि why we have purified. हो सकता है some products are still attached. Testing you will write. What will you write by this? Certified by organization. What will you write?
It is certified by an
And we can write about
organization.
ICMR.
But it is for legal authentication. I mean, for making it legally authentic, it is certified by an organization before marketing. Then packaging में क्या लिख सकते हो? क्या condition suitable है for packaging? What has to be ensured while you're packaging?
मैम इसकी एक्सपायरी डेट और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट भी पैकेजिंग में होनी चाहिए.
Yes, you can mention this. Moisture free. फिर उसका आपको वो ये mention करना है that packaging ensures moisture free, safe packaging so that it is available in the market, and also to mention the details about date of manufacturing and expiring, and commercial scale pe. Then of course, because you have a large scale, so you can always go and launch it in the commercial scale. There is one again 3 marks question which I am discussing with you. 2016. Name 6 components of a bioreactor. देखो ध्यान से सुनो. Name 6 components of a bioreactor, but they have not mentioned which bioreactor. So it's all on you. So when you start writing, mention that which bioreactor. Tell me which one would you like to mention?
Stirred type.
Stirred type.
Stirred type इसलिए क्योंकि उसमें ज्यादा चीजें होती है mention करने के लिए. So it is always better कि अगर सिर्फ names पूछे हैं, and see we always get such easy questions. 3 marks है, only name they are asking you of component. चलो start. Tell me the first one.
मैम shaft, motor,
thermometer, pH4, pH probe,
water jacket,
and the water jacket containing outlets and
इसको
inlets
कैसे
and lower
लिखेंगे?
blades.
Yes. टेम्परेचर को जैसे हम लिखेंगे तो हम अच्छे से लिखने के लिए व्हाट विल वी डू, हम हेडिंग डालेंगे टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल सिस्टम, and then we will mention that a thermometer is introduced, and if the temperature goes high we will put cold water, and वो जो मैंने आपको बताया उसको एक सेंटेंस में ऐड कर देना. Then next heading you will write pH control system. Okay, and yes beta,
water jacket sparger होती है, water jacket sparger
yes you can take
type
water
में होती
jacket,
है.
why not, जिसका भी फंक्शन आपको पता है बेटा, उसको
नहीं,
हाँ वाटर जैकेट, yes 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 बनेगी, मैंने yes बेटा उसमें भी आएगी. I forgot to draw or what, maybe I forgot to draw, but आपको दोनों में रखना है. Temperature control system and pH control system has to be maintained in both. So just to make your answer impressive, don't write thermometer, write temperature control system and then explain that thermometer is introduced and जब वो high करेगा तो क्या low, वो सब लिख देना. Then write pH control system, then put a heading and then tell them that pH probe is introduced, pH acidic होगा, then weak base, and weak base का acidic, whatever I have done. Then you can take what, upper blades को जब लिखोगे तो you can write it as a foam control system. Upper blades are known as what, children?
Foam control system.
Foam control system. So then you will mention that when rotation will be done, foam will be produced, and these blades, upper blades, will help to remove the foam. We call them as foam control system. Then जो lower blades होते हैं जो mixing करते हैं, they are known as agitator system. Agitation, वो घूमते हैं ना गोल गोल. So they are known as which system? They are known as agitator system. Let me have it quickly. Thermometer की जगह what heading will you put?
Temperature control system.
Temperature control system.
Yes. After you have put the heading, write one sentence. How thermometer helps you. Second heading बेटा pH के लिए.
pH control system.
pH control
pH
system.
control system. What heading will you give for the upper blades?
Fourth cutting system.
Fourth cutting, foam controlling,
Foam
whatever
control.
you want to
Yeah,
write,
foam
you can
control.
write. And lower blades are known as what?
agitating.
Agitator.
Agitator system. Then you can write about your motor, and you can write about what else you want to write, water jacket. So any 6 things you can take it. It's very easy for you to do this part.
जैकेट जो है वो तो टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल में आएगी ना.
बेटा टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल को हम थर्मोमीटर से रिलेट कर रहे हैं ना, कि वो हमें बताएगा कि टेम्परेचर कम हो रहा है कि ज्यादा हो रहा है, लेकिन उसका बैकअप हम कैसे करेंगे? वी आर डूइंग इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ वाटर जैकेट. तो दोनों के फंक्शंस अलग अलग है. अगर आपको 6 चीजें अलग अलग नहीं मिलती हैं तो आप इसको अलग भी ले सकते हो. अगर आप मोटर का फंक्शन अलग ले लेते हो, देन नो नीड टू डू दिस. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू कि आपको कितनी चीजें उस समय दिमाग में आ रही हैं. एग्जाम में जाके बहुत कुछ यू नो it goes blank. So there the process comes. Okay, let me discuss about, there's a question which says which tank, which bioreactor would you prefer and why? पहले नाम पूछा है, and then 2 marks का एक additional question. It's a 3 mark question that name the 2 type of bioreactors. Which one would you prefer and why? One by one tell me, which one will you prefer beta?
Stirred type, ma'am.
Straight tank. Give me the reason.
And because here everything can be mixed well, and then
Yes, you can write this facilitates mixing,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
it has a foam control system also. It has a temperature control also, and small amount of culture. You can keep withdrawing from the reactor for sampling also. So she feels this is fine. Most of the children would prefer stirred one, and obviously speaking also, stirred one का product हमेशा better रहता है बेटा, ज़्यादा रहता है compared to which one? Compared to the sparger one. So this is all about bioreactors. I have discussed whatever previous year questions were there. I'm trying to see if I can find more over here. We'll be starting with the next chapter from tomorrow, the second chapter of this unit. That is a very easy one. What is the second chapter? Does somebody know?
Applications of biotechnology.
biotechnology applications.
Applications of biotechnology. And children, after I finish this chapter, I'll be taking up ecosystem, and I will start with taking up one chapter ka previous board year question simultaneously.